Yes folks, I'm down at Gomicentro García in Sosúa, which is your tire center. Right here on the highway, you can see the cheese factory over here, Producto Sosúa, and to the other side we have the traffic light with the gasoline station just over there and the taxi station to the left. Now, I'll get into all the details in a second, but it says up here, rent a car. So first of all, they also rent vehicles out. Let's start over to the right here. We've got the repair department where you can get normal car repairs, oil change, brake pad adjustment, and they even do wheel balancing here as well. All right, and over to the left, they do the normal tire repairs here. And this is not just for cars, this is for cars, trucks, ATVs, motorbikes as well. They've got a big selection of tires, as you can see here, for all the different vehicles I just mentioned. I come in here with my motorbike and they've got, as you can see, lots of tires everywhere, including the motorbike tires up here. Over to my right here, we've got the battery department. So if you need a battery for your vehicle, updated, replaced, this is the place to do it. Upstairs here you have the second-hand department, so a lot of great used tires. Doesn't need to cost you a lot to get good tires on your truck. But for the new ones, you see here extensive shelves full of them, and the repair again here. So the office hours is Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. and then you've got Saturday 8 to 3 p.m. And one final look here, we'll just roll in and have a look. Saludos. This is their parts department. You go down here to the shop and you got lubes, grease, oils, windscreen wipers, fan belts, everything you can imagine, and tubes for the bikes and everything. Come on down to Gomicentro García in El Bate and they'll help you out. Check all the details next to the video. Thanks for watching.